All right, guys, tonight, 7 Central Standard Time on the Tools with Souls YouTube channel. We're going to test the right angle impact driver from Ridgid. This is not out on market yet, but we got our hands on it. They were kind enough to send it to us. So we're going to go over its features. We're going to talk about when and where to use it. And then we're going to test it. We're going to put it through its paces. We're going to really find out how this little thing does. I'm excited. I hope to see you there. Again, 7 Central Standard Time at the Tools with Souls YouTube channel.